there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decrease in amigurumi. This is a very simple technique that we use to shape our toys. So I've started my sample by making a circle using single crochet and increases. If you don't know how to increase or how to make the magic ring to start the circle, I have the links in the description for you. I will also put them here on the screen somewhere. And now it's time to decrease and shape this circle. And to do that, I will use as an example a row from a pattern. So let's say your pattern says decrease 3 single crochet, repeat until the end of the row. What this means is that you'll be decreasing after every 3 single crochet. So let's start our round. I use usually a piece of yarn to mark the beginning of each round. This time I use the tail, but you can use a stitch marker or just a piece of yarn like this, just to know where your round starts. So pattern says 3 single crochet and then a decrease. So make your single crochet and then we decrease. And what it means is that we turn 2 stitches into 1. So what we do is insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then we insert the hook in the next stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop. And you will have 3 loops on your hook. And now we yarn over and pull through. And as you can see, we turn these 2 stitches into 1. Now, like the pattern says, repeat until the end of the round. So we make 3 single crochet again. Then another decrease. So insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then into the next stitch and pull up a loop, like so. Then yarn over, pull through, and this stitch is also mentioned, it's also abbreviated as single crochet 2 together. And that abbreviation is usually used in regular crochet when you work flat back and forth. We don't say decrease, we say single crochet 2 together. That means 2 stitches crocheted together into 1. Right, so now we continue again with 3 single crochet. Then another decrease. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops. And you can see now how this decrease in stitches is curving the circle. And this is how you shape in amigurumi, by increasing or decreasing strategically through your work. And this is how you decrease in amigurumi, and like I said, it's also known as single crochet 2 together. So now you just continue all around until you reach this marker right here. Then you know you finish the round. And now we make 3 more single crochet. Followed by a decrease again. Another set of 3 single crochet. and another decrease, three single crochet, and a decrease, and we reached the end of the round. And this is how a pattern is written. So when you see, again, when you see decrease, three single crochet, repeat until the end of the round, this is what it means. You decrease, then you make three single crochet, decrease, three single crochet, and so on. And now you can see how the circle starting to shape, and we have now less stitches than in the previous round. And this is how you decrease in amigurumi, and this is how it looks like. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting!